Mastering multiplication through skip counting. Hello everyone. Today we'll explore an exciting topic: skip counting. This wonderful technique is not just a fun game, it's a core strategy to master multiplication. It's simple, practical, and it makes learning English numbers and multiplication so much easier. Skip counting is a method where we count forward by more than one. This means instead of going from 1 to 2 to 3 and so on, we might go from 2 to 4 to 6, or from 5 to 10 to 15, and so on. For example, if we're skip counting by 2, it would look like this: 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, and so on. Skip counting not only helps you count faster, but it also forms the basis for understanding multiplication and division. Skip counting is a fantastic tool to make multiplication easier. When we skip count by a number, we are effectively multiplying that number by the count. For example, if we want to multiply 3 by 4, we can simply skip count by 3, 4 times. So, we start at 3, 3 by 1, then go to 6, 3 by 2, then 9, 3 by 3, and finally, 12, 3 by 4. So, 3 multiplied by 4 equals 12. Now, let's get some practice with skip counting. Here are a few exercises. Skip count by 5 up to 20. Skip count by 10 up to 100. Skip count by 3 up to 15. If you follow along, you'll see patterns and repetition which will help you understand multiplication in a more intuitive way. And there we have it. That's skip counting for you. A fun and easy method to help you master multiplication. Remember, practice makes perfect. So, keep on practicing and soon multiplication will be a piece of cake. Thank you for watching, and happy learning.